India, a country with more than 1.3 billion people to feed, is on its way to become world's most populous country. By the year 2050, it is also the second largest producer of rice in the world. India, however, still needs to work on improving the productivity of rice, considering it is way below world average. Researchers estimate that annually 37.5% of rice crop production is lost to pests, and BPH takes the major share of that percentage. Adding to the pain due to the very nature of the BPH, it has evolved high levels of resistance to many of the major classes of insecticides, leading to farmers resorting to multiple sprays, reducing the efficacy of the products even further. In extreme circumstances, there are cases of farmers spraying 6 to 7 rounds for BPH alone, damaging the entire agro ecosystem. These harsh chemicals impact the population of beneficial insects like spiders, ladybird beetles, and minute bugs. These beneficial insects are a part of natural defense against pests like BPH, and that's why the progressive farmers of today are constantly on the lookout for a safe and sustainable solution to BPH control. They are looking for a revolutionary technology with a new mode of action, which will bring in a new era in BPH control. Introducing Nichino Orchestra, a revolutionary new product from Nichino, Japan. Orchestra is powered by BPX technology, which not just controls BPH but also protects beneficial insects off the rice fields. BPX technology targets the egg-die zone metabolism in BPH, disrupting the egg-diasis mechanism, preventing hopper's molting process from one stage to the next. BPX, being a brand new class of insecticide, is very effective on BPH and WBPH, including populations which have developed resistance against existing products in the market.
So right now what we see in the market many times are the nerve poison type. So according to lot of research done on these, nerve poisons have a higher rate of development of resistance in the insects or in the pests.
Because of the indiscriminate use and regular constant use where farmers were taking 6 to 7 sprays or even more, particularly they were resorting to the pesticide usage when the crop is almost reaching the harvest or 1 month before the harvest, when there were 200 to 300 hoppers per plant.
International scientists suggest the use of alternative methods to manage the pest, like there may be other molting inhibitors, there may be the mitochondrial inhibitors, etc. So a chemical with a mode of action different from the nerve poisons is very welcome to the present industry.
We need some pesticide because this is all creating the ecological disturbance. Predators, parasites, natural enemies are getting killed, and then the insecticide residues are creeping in. We need a different mode of action pesticide. That means we should not allow the pest to complete its life cycle,
because this would ensure that the development of resistance in the target pest will be slow, and thereby it would have a longer sustenance in the market.
Orchestra, this is highly safer to the natural enemies, the spiders. The results also indicate that it is very safe, and with less dose, 0.3 ppm to 1 ppm, it is able to effectively control the pest at the laboratory and field condition.
Orchestra not just protects your crop from BPH, but also gives healthy tillers, uniformly filled panicles, and green crops. It improves yield potential, which gives greater return on investment. It has an excellent environmental profile, but most important of all, it is going to change the way we do farming. Farmers today operate in a world of constant change, and we at Nichino want to create an environment for them to be increasingly productive yet sustainable, resilient yet responsible. A change in the right direction. Nichino Orchestra. Let's begin a new era of BPH control.